Hi, in this video we are going to cover that how we can run the test using the Falcon service. So in the previous video we have seen that how to write the test following the Falcon programming model. Okay, so let's get started and see what we are going to cover. First of all, we'll see that how to set up the account on Azure, sorry, on the Falcon, uh, plus connect it with the Azure account, then how to supply the configuration to the test, and then run and analyze the results of the test. So let's get started, and first of all we need to visit to tfaas.com, test framework as a service. So let's go and see how we can do that. This is tfaas.com. Go there, and first of all you go for register. Your name, say 10. One, and then provide my security number, organization name, MDIT solve, multi-dimensionality solutions, which consisting, and India. So this is a create account. Once you get your account gets created, you'll find this place. Now you have to see that connected Azure account is null, status is null. So we go for verification of the certificate. What you have to do is, first of all, at step 1 you need to download the certificate and upload this certificate to the your Azure account. So you get this certificate, uh, then you go into the Windows Azure account. In that you click on hosted services and go to management certificates. Management certificates. Normally it doesn't take that much of time. Okay, so you can go and add certificate, browse. So wherever your certificate is being there, you just upload it, say OK, and it will appear like this. Once the certificate is uploaded, you need to get your subscription ID. I'll stop this from here. So as the second step, what it says is upload the management certificate to Windows Azure account that we have done. Then enter the subscription ID. So you need to tell that this is the subscription ID and say validate. What it's gonna do it for us is that it is gonna go to your storage account under your this subscription ID and create it. So we have Anshul 4 and Anshul 5 already there. Uh, it will create with Falcon Anshul 10 with some random number followed by that. So it creates a storage account in this fashion. So let's see that, okay, Falcon Anshul 10 628 is the random number appended. So this is the one of the storage things that is going to create, and it may take a couple of minutes to complete this whole process. So it still says verifying. Once it says verified, then we'll move to the next part of it. So service management operation. automatically creating a, so if it is successfully created, it's a double validation. It gets a that you have validated that your certificate exists, and as well as it has the access to create the resources under your account. If it fails to do so because let's say your subscription is disabled, or your subscription is overloaded, let's say you have a quota of 5 and already you have exhausted all of them, then it won't work. You can figure out by the appropriate error what it is going to throw for you. So verification is successful. If you go to profile again, you will find that okay, hey, this is your subscription area and status is verified. Let's go and say manage environment. Here you can create environment. Environment is nothing but what is the telling them what's the machine size. Let's say I want to have a VM size of 1, and let's say with 2 instances of it, and using this switch. So I have created an environment which says hey, that I need two virtual machines, and with the small size and with this operating system. Then I go with the manage connections. So we have created just now the storage name, and the storage connection is available over here. You can always update it. Manage test files. You can go. You can create my container. So this container gets created under your account, and you can upload the test dependent files which we have chosen in the last video we created these files. So upload these things. These are the test dependent files. No matter how many number of files you can upload over here. Once you upload these things, then you go for run test and say choose your environment, choose where your test binaries are, say get methods. So you get these methods over there. Let's say I want to run test 1 and test 4. I say 50% of test 1 and 50% of test 2. Enter the test duration, say number of threads. You can always choose the step count as well, but you can say constant count for the time being. Select your, say, run test. What it is gonna do is it's gonna go to your Azure account, and in your Azure account it is gonna create as many instances. So we have chosen the environment as we have seen previously to be my environment, and that my environment had 2 small instances as the test runners. So we are going to see that automatically it is going to create those 2 instances, and it may take a while. It may take a while for the test to get started, and first of all you will see that similarly here the deployment is going to appear, posted service gets created, and that 2 instances will get created.